What's the meaning of chemoreceptor? Chemoreceptor. Chemoreceptor.
Chemoreceptor. Chemoreceptor. A chemoreceptor is a sensory cell that responds to chemical stimuli, such as odors or tastes. These specialized cells are found in various parts of the body, including the nose, mouth, and bloodstream. When a chemical substance binds to a chemoreceptor, it triggers a cellular response that can lead to sensations like smell or taste. Chemoreceptors play an important role in our sense of smell and taste, as well as in regulating bodily functions such as breathing and blood pressure. Dysfunction of chemoreceptors can result in conditions such as anosmia, loss of smell, or hypertension, high blood pressure.